Use bookmarks for faster navigation in your scene. Bookmarks basically store your point of view so you can get exactly in that view later on. So go here to the left upper corner menu, find bookmarks, and you can set bookmark here. Then when you move around your scene, you can go to bookmarks and jump to the bookmark to get to your stored view. There is a shortcut for it, and it's Ctrl and the number. So now I'm pressing Ctrl 2 for creating the bookmark number 2, Ctrl 3 to bookmark number 3, and for example Ctrl 6 for creating bookmark number 6. Now you can see we get all these bookmarks here, and we can use just the numbers to get there. So press 1 to get the first bookmark, 2, 3, and 6. Number 4 and 5 is empty. Why I'm setting these numbers like this? Because I want to show you the possibility of compact bookmarks. Now you'll see we get the bookmarks 1, 2, 3, and 6. And when I click the compact bookmarks, it sets all the bookmarks in row starting at 0. So now it's 0, 1, 2, and 3. Then you can clear your bookmarks manually by selecting one of them, or clear all bookmarks.